Hello friends, and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. Today we're making a bleeding heart aspic. Tomato juice, spices, and gelatin make a fun, hauntingly delectable side dish for your guests. Let's make this. In a saucepan, mix your tomato juice with onion, celery leaves, brown sugar, salt, bay leaf, and cloves. Simmer uncovered for about 5 minutes. Then remove the pot from the heat. Soften the gelatin in a half cup of cold tomato juice. Remove the bay leaf and all of the cloves. Then add the gelatin mixture to the hot mixture. Add another half cup of cold tomato juice with the lemon juice to the hot mixture. Stir completely. Chill for half an hour until partially set. The aspic will be slightly jiggly but not fully set. That's what you want. You don't want your celery to sink to the bottom. Prep your mold by spraying with baking spray. Then spoon this mixture into your molds. Chill at least 3 hours or preferably overnight until fully set. Once set, remove the molds from the fridge and let sit warm to room temperature for about half an hour. Flip the mold onto a clean plate. Massage every part of the mold to release the gelatin onto your plate. Serve your friends this savory Halloween treat.